Hello, you all. You already know what we finna do. We finna see what our Elohim wants us to know at this time. We finna see what our Elohim wants us to know at this time. Hope you all are having a good day. I am. I'm having a very blessed day. A very loving, blessed day, and I'm grateful. What would our Elohim like us to know at this time? Okay, we have one night stand here. Taste. Give me space. I do everything. Birth. So it's somebody that you created some form of boundary with. Could be an energy vampire. You could have created some form of boundary with someone here. You could have hooked up with someone. It could have been like some sort of fast, sudden connection. It was pleasant for you, but you wanted your space after. Okay. You wanted your space because you could have felt disrespected. Okay, it was like an unequal give and take with you and this individual. You or them could be an Aries, Capricorn, or a Libra. With this one night stand, it could have resulted in you getting pregnant, or you could have thought that you were pregnant. This was something unpredictable for you, you know, like a wild card. But after you felt disrespected, you just felt like you start looking at this person like the op, like a op. So you could have ended up like, being celibate, going celibate for a while here. Because you felt like this person was an energy vampire, very draining, just lustful, a low vibrational individual. Somebody could be Gemini, Scorpio, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Virgo. You felt like this person was trying to suck your success or something. Like this person was some type of vampire. Let's see. What's going on with this one night stand? This pleasure. You feel like you took this opportunity to have this one night stand, and you feel like it caused chaos in your life. Even though it was something pleasant for you, you feel like it caused chaos in your life. You feel like it was your karma for the decision that you made. You feel at a loss too as well. Um, you also feel tied down. You feel like this person has some type of demonic stronghold on you. And your feelings of this, okay, you could be a King of Pentacles, you could be a Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, or you have Capricorn highly aspected in your chart. But if you feel like this, you're correct, because this person is a magician here. They could have been trying to suck your energy, posing as a powerful woman here. Suck your energy, suck your money, suck your resources. You provide for them, and they have you tied and binded down to them. So ever since you slept with this individual, it's been chaos in your life. Somebody could have Aquarius, Scorpio, Taurus, or Leo in their chart. What's taste? This person could have expensive taste. See, ever since you slept with this person, you've been spent. Woo! I just think the Six of Cups. This could be somebody from your past. Yep. Ever since you slept with this person, that money been slowly depleting. What is give me space? What is give me space? Yeah, you want your space, Emperor. You feel like this is an obstacle that you gotta overcome, like this person is holding you back and you regret this here. You call in judgment on this. You call in judgment on this pregnancy too as well. We have conception. You're calling judgment on whatever this pregnancy is. With this risky behavior that you have. What is I do everything? Yeah, this person has some hidden intentions here. You have mooching, disrespect, blame game. You or they were wearing a mask here. Four of Swords. Somebody wants to lay this to rest here. What's going on with this birth? Yeah, this person could be pregnant here. Maybe it's been some complications in the pregnancy. But if it was some complications during this pregnancy, it's because this person did some form of spiritual work to balance things out in their favor so that they could be gifted, so that they can have this partnership. This person made some sort of sacrifice here. So this is why that this person definitely can be pregnant. It could be a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Virgo, Gemini, Aries. This person definitely could be pregnant here. What's this wild card? Yeah, you didn't predict this here. Something could have happened in a home. But we do have the World card here. Yeah, you feel entrapped in some sort of connection with someone now that they're pregnant. What just ran across my mind now that you want to end it, somebody pregnant. You feel trapped. You feel trapped in whatever home this is. Somebody could be an Aquarius, Scorpio, Taurus, Leo. You feel trapped in this home and this commitment because of this pregnancy. What's going on with this rebel here? What's the rebel? Yeah, you feel like your lover is a op. You looking at them like the op. Somebody could have Gemini in their chart. You're rebelling against having a family with this person. You feel heartbroken that you even teamed up with this person and had sex with this person. Somebody could be a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Sagittarius. You want to block this person out here. This person could be trying to communicate with you, and you're trying to block it out because you're in grief. Because you could have procreated with one of Lucy Liu kids. Somebody that's binded to the devil. Now you feel binded to the devil. But you're heartbroken because of what your legacy is going to be with this individual here. You feel like, man, I should have just been celibate. I shouldn't have had no sex. You walking around like everything is fine, but you feel stabbed up. And this person is draining your finances here. Wanting you to provide for them. Wanting you to... well, they pregnant? Shoot. Honey, they feel like they got the justice with this baby in conception here. But, I don't know, with them complications, it may end up being an empty victory, but they feel like they got justice with this baby. Somebody could be a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Leo. Sag. You could be a Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, male. You could be like standing strong and firm on how you feel. You feel attacked by this woman. She coming up as your match. You did have some sort of home or commitment. Now you got some sort of home or commitment with this individual. Or y'all could just be at odds about this pregnancy here. Both cold. So it's not no higher form of commitment. Y'all just both could be at each other. Y'all just both at each other about this pregnancy here. You just feel like you gotta have some higher form of commitment in a home with this person because they're with child. If this person gonna drain the fact that this person couldn't wait to sink their teeth into you. With this vampire, with this King of Pentacles, this person couldn't wait to sink their teeth into you. So that you can be their provider. They want you to be the father to their children, father figure. They want you to be their provider. And they feel like no one will believe the things that you say that they did either. And this was some form of get back too as well. It could have got violent. Somebody put their hands on somebody. Dangerous, insecure. I do see some gaslighting too as well here. And somebody actually likes the same sex within this situation. Horn hump. Somebody actually likes the same sex. Somebody chose somebody else over you because they threatened their life. Life threatened. Somebody was sent to destroy someone too. So this look unfortunate. We're going to go ahead and wrap. Well, let's see. Any other ending messages? Is there anything else we need to know? And then we're going to go on and wrap this thing up. Is there anything else we need to know about this situation? Any other extra messages? Heartbreak, suffering, loss. Three of Swords, unhappiness. Somebody is not happy about this pregnancy. Yep. Somebody is heartbroken. Somebody is excited. Meanwhile, somebody see it as deceptive with this moon energy. Somebody could have Cancer in their chart. Somebody see it as deceptive. Hidden intention. Somebody is just calling deception. They like deception. Disgrace. Like off the Lion King, yeah. This King of Pentacles is calling deception. Deception. Disgrace. Yep, this person was resisting change, repeating these negative patterns. That's why they ass got caught up. Now they caught up with a baby. Woo! Now they stuck. This might be the justice, them being stuck with whoever this is from their past. Could be a Libra, a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, Scorpio, or a Cancer. Yeah, because what they did was in the past they stabbed, because we got the King and the Queen of Cups with the Lovers. They stabbed somebody else in the back here with the Ten of Swords. Maybe even for this other individual, and now they feel sadness and grief. Or or what I'm getting is, all right, y'all, check this out. Somebody could have conceived, but the baby didn't make it with this death. This person was the one who was repeating these negative ass patterns that they be doing with having these hidden intentions here. So it ain't all of this. It ain't all of this female fault. This vampire here, it ain't all their fault. It's this individual's fault, because this is what they chose to do, though. And it could be karma for them for doing something to somebody else in the past. So either this pregnancy, either it got deaded or it's still in motion. But either way it go, all of this heartbreak, suffering, trauma, loss, unhappiness, and conflict and chaos is because this person refuses to learn the lessons that they're supposed to learn here. Yeah, somebody trying to hold on to this person's stability, this person's financial wealth. They trying to hold on tight, honey. They gripping it. You ain't taking it. You ain't taking it away from me. Ooh, that's what happens. That's that karma for you. That's what happens when you try to do people dirty. You run into dirty. So, we're going to end this with the Grateful Heart message. It's always something to be grateful for. To know that justice is going to come in. You know, when people try to do other people dirty, they don't just run off. And it don't matter if it seemed like they run off and live this old happy life. No, it be suffering and sadness within that. Especially if you had good intention and somebody played you. Okay? When somebody moves with an ill heart and not with a pure heart, what they run into is something just like them. Even if it may seem like it's not. No, they run into what they need to run into so that they can learn. Because you don't do people like that. And this is what this individual did in the past. So now this person getting did in. Or got did in. Somebody very possessive, controlling, very greedy, and trying to hold on to this person's wealth for dear life. This person could even have some type of home or end up getting some type of home or business or whatever the case may be after this person found out that they was pregnant or whatever the case may be. But this was all for the love of money. They said they got a daddy boss to provide for them. Can I get a grateful heart message, please? Somebody said daddy boss. And this mug miserable. It says, do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation by prayer and petition with thanksgiving, present your request to God. You better go to the Most High, or you're gonna get sucked dry. And this woman powerful too, because she got a grip. It says happiness cannot be traveled to. Happiness cannot be owned. Happiness cannot be earned. Happiness cannot be worn or consumed. Happiness is a spiritual experience of living every minute with love, grace, and gratitude. I have not stopped giving thanks for you, remembering you in my prayers. So I hope you all got a message from this read that'll help you along your journey. Know that Yahweh loves you. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Peace.